Hi, this is Dan. Today we're going to review and walk through a tutorial on the habit tracker in TodoHabits.com. We start out on the to-do list, which we covered in a tutorial last week. To get to the habit tracker, all we need to do is click the habit tracker button, and here we are. Let's say we want to add a date. You can do that right here. And now you'll see a list of habits like humility and others you may already have set up. Now let's say we want to add a new habit. We'll add something called walking performance, and we'll make that a rating. We can rate it, for example, from 1 to 15. We add that habit, and then we go back to the habit tracker. You'll see walking performance listed. But maybe I don't want it there. I want it to come after sleep and stretching, and after tracking how long we walked. So I'll go to Edit Habits, grab the handle, and move it to the spot I want. We can also delete habits. For example, if we already had walking as a time-based habit, we can check that and delete it. Now we're just going to track walking by performance instead. We save the order and go back. If you forget to save the order, that is okay. Just click the Edit Habit button, change the order, and make sure you hit Save. Now, let's walk through a day. We wake up in the morning and we got 7 hours of sleep, so we check that off. Then we stretch after waking up, so we check stretching. Then we walk, maybe we walk 2 miles, so we check that off as well. Later, we do some sit-ups. We do sit-ups every day, and today we did 15. Notice the stars on the right. Every time we complete a habit, we get a star. If we remove something, the star goes away. When we complete it again, we get the star back. At night, we sit down and read. Reading can be a habit too, so we check that off. Then at the end of the day, we rate ourselves on humility. Maybe we rate ourselves a 5. Even though it's a rating, we still get a star for completing it. And that's how the habit tracker works. You can add habits, delete habits, reorder them, and add new dates as you go. To get back to the to-do list, all you need to do is click the icon on the left, and you're back. And that's today's tutorial. I appreciate you watching, and please like the video if you found it helpful. If you'd like to sign up for TodoHabits.com, you can visit the site anytime. Our pricing is very reasonable, and we offer a 30-day free trial with no credit card required up front. After the trial, if you like it, you can purchase a full year at a very affordable price. Thanks again for watching.